Hi, thank you for having here. So basically about this project EvO2, I will explain you in big picture and I just extract some functionality about this project, everything very small piece. So first thing, imagine like you have a very small recipe book, that's your DNA, and sometimes there might be very tiny typos in the recipe. Yeah, so some tiny typos in the recipe. Some typos don't matter much, like writing a TSP instead of teaspoon, but others could completely ruin the dish. So EvO2 is like having super smart assistant that can look at this DNA typos and tell you whether they are harmless or might cause health problems. So I just break down some few steps how this application EvO2 will help doctor and the researchers to analyze genetic changes. So first step is like you choose which version of the human genetic code you want to work with. You can either search for specific gene like BRCA1, which is breast cancer, if you are interested in the breast cancer genes, or you can browse through some different chromosomes. Step 2, you can explore the DNA. Once you pick a gene, you see it's actually DNA sequence, those ATGC letters you might remember from a biology class. So you can also search it. You can scroll through it, zoom in and explore different parts, just like browsing through a documents. And step 3, here's like some magic happens when you click on any letter in the DNA sequence. You can see changes, what might happen. For example, you might change A to Z in a specific position. The AI, which model I used in this application, it will immediately analyze this change and tells you this change is probably harmless or might be cause problems. And yeah, there is two technical sides, which is the brain, and other side the interface. And why it is important? Before EvO2, analyzing genetic changes required specialized knowledge, like expensive requirement and lots of time. So now a doctor can quickly check if a genetic changes they found in a patient might be causing their symptoms. So it's like having very genetic expert available like 24/7 hours to give quick informed opinions. So the last thing, why you really should care, because EvO2 very represents something very pretty amazing. It's taking very incredibly complex genetic analysis that really uses required a PhD level expertise and make it accessible to anyone who needs it. So I think this means very faster diagnosis, better treatment decisions, and ultimately better healthcare for everyone. So I think of it as like demonstrating genetic medicine, making very powerful tool available to more people, so they can help more patients. So yeah, basically it's very short intro about this project. So I hope you better understand how this project actually works and how it might be very helpful for the doctors or the researchers in their work. So yeah, thank you.